Welcome to photographing 3D art with window light. This room has skylight coming in from the window on the left. If your window isn't bright enough, you can add 2 umbrellas with daylight bulbs. Start with a low table. Cover the table and the background with dark gray paper.
Good. Perfect.
Place your artwork on the table and put your grayscale in front of it. Adjust the reflectors and turn on your lights.
Good.
For the Nikon camera, hold the WB button while depressing the shutter release to set white balance. After setting white balance, take a picture of the grayscale and check your histograms.
And there it is. And just stay there.
If the red spikes and the blue spikes line up with the green spikes, then you have good color. If the spike on the right comes close to the edge but does not touch the edge, you have good brightness. Remove the grayscale, then photograph your artwork from 3 different angles.
We're going to have to reshoot. Oh, no, you got it. You got it. That's good. Just step out of the picture now because we're getting your reflection in there. That's it. Good. And I'm going to zoom in on that.
The histogram from your artwork will not match your grayscale histogram. However, it will tell you if you have good brightness.
Good. Walk out of the scene.
Dirt and stains on the paper can be cleaned off in Photoshop while doing the final cropping. Thank you for watching Photographing 3D Art with Window Light.